Welcome back to Crypto On-Chain, your trusted source for in-depth crypto market analysis and updates. Today, we are focusing on Bitcoin, which continues to dominate the cryptocurrency landscape with recent price movements, institutional adoption, regulatory developments, and ongoing innovations. Bitcoin is once again at the center of attention. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Crypto On-Chain and stay updated with all the latest market insights. Current market trends. Bitcoin has recently faced pullbacks, testing 7-week lows around $109,000. Despite this dip, many analysts remain confident, pointing to a possible rebound toward the $150,000 mark, supported by strong technical indicators. ETF inflows are a major driver of this optimism. Large institutions such as Fidelity and BlackRock are leading the charge with their spot Bitcoin ETFs, including FBTC and IBIT. These funds have attracted millions of dollars in new inflows, helping stabilize the market and signaling strong investor confidence. Institutional and corporate movements. Institutional and corporate adoption of Bitcoin continues to expand. French chipmaker Sequans recently announced plans to acquire 100,000 Bitcoins over the next 5 years as part of its treasury. Strategy. This bold move underscores Bitcoin's growing reputation as a long-term store of value and hedge against inflation. Institutional players are also influencing Bitcoin futures demand, while spot ETF adoption has added stability and credibility to the market. Together, these forces highlight the increasing role of traditional finance in Bitcoin's long-term growth. Regulatory and macro influences. Bitcoin operates in a complex regulatory and global economic environment. In the United States, legal disputes and Federal Reserve-related developments have contributed to short-term volatility. On the international stage, central banks remain divided. For example, Brazil's central bank has expressed caution about adding Bitcoin to its official reserves. Citing risks, cybersecurity remains another critical factor. Hackers are shifting strategies, increasingly targeting human vulnerabilities instead of purely technical systems, which highlights the need for stronger security practices across the crypto industry, ecosystem, and technological insights. Bitcoin's foundation remains its decentralized blockchain technology, ensuring security and trust in the network. Analysts continue to debate the likelihood of an altcoin season, with capital rotation possibly triggered by new ETF launches. Often, innovations tested in altcoins eventually influence Bitcoin's broader ecosystem. A key discussion point is still Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins. This hard cap is what drives its scarcity and long-term value proposition. As institutional demand rises and supply remains limited, the fundamentals strongly support Bitcoin's long-term bullish case. Summary. To summarize, Bitcoin recently dipped near $109,000 but could rebound toward $150,000 based on technical outlook. ETF inflows led by Fidelity and BlackRock provide strong market support. Corporate adoption is rising, with Sequans planning to acquire 100,000 Bitcoins. Regulatory caution, geopolitical volatility, and cybersecurity risks remain challenges. Bitcoin's hard supply cap and strong institutional interest continue to reinforce its long-term strength. Bitcoin remains a critical asset shaped by price dynamics, institutional activity, regulation, and innovation. And that concludes today's Bitcoin market update on Crypto On-Chain. Do you believe Bitcoin will recover toward $150,000 soon, or are we likely to see further consolidation before the next major rally? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Crypto On-Chain, and stay tuned for more updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and the wider digital asset ecosystem. This is Crypto On-Chain, bringing you clear insights into the world of crypto.